To me, one of the real wonderful experiences in being here as part of Many Strong Voices was, number one, just getting to meet all of the wonderful people from Belize states that I've never known before, and most importantly, to hear the messages that they have and to see how similar their messages are. I think that was one of the most eye-opening experiences, and I think it will be for people in the Arctic as well, is that what is happening that we see every day in the Arctic is really the kind of thing that's happening within many of the Pacific Island and other small states as well. So to me, that was an amazing experience. I think something that we will all share. It was also really enlightening to understand that this is truthfully such a global issue, and to know that we all have to bring the voices of our many communities from across the world to an understanding so that all of our neighbors, all of our families, all of our friends worldwide understand that this is an issue we all need to care about, and that there are things we can do to help to help the situation that we are in now and what we are facing. The kinds of things that we're leaving for our children is really an important and critical time right now, because these are the decisions today that we make right now that will impact our generations to come. We need to be strong.